Hi, I'm Milissa O'Neil, and I would love to share a personal story how conscious discipline has transformed not only my teaching practice, but also at my home for my son. So my son struggled in school with SEL with his peers, and also he is on spectrum. He has autism, and what we found was when I, really came to learn about conscious discipline, it really truly transformed my family's life and my son's. So as we were using the language, I noticed, I wonder, you seem like you're feeling. He's now able to connect the conscious discipline approach, which we know it's a transformational approach, and be able to communicate that with his students now. And he says to me, "Mom, I get it. I'm using the language you're using." So for me, that was my aha moment, where you're taking the transformational approach, not only in your classroom, but also embedding it in your family life. And now your children are embedding it into their current position, which is just it's amazing.